Player 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kung sinabi dribble, alam din naman mag-dribble. Exhibition. Ipasa. Ano number? Hindi nyo ipapasa sa kabila, ha? Ating nyo, okay, ready? Best of kanila. Best of 3 daw. Yeah. Player number 1, dribble, exhibition. Ipasa ka player number 5. Player number 5. Dapat, Ate Annalyn, hindi ka pupunta sa player number 5, dribble, ipasa kay player number 4. Dribble, exhibition, ipasa kay number 3. Dribble. Sige mo! Sinabi siya ko, tatakbo. Hindi na alam Okay. Player number 1, dribble, exhibition, number 3. Dribble, exhibition, ipasa kay number 5. Shoot and goal!
Umihito dyan ah. Ako yung tubig.
Player number 1, ipasa kay number 3. Dribble, ipasa kay number 5. Number 5, ipasa kay number 4. Dribble, ipasa kay number 2. Shoot and goal! Gusto ko lang makita kung paano tumakbo sila. Magaling pa lang tumakbo sila. Ay, sino sa'yo?
Madalas kayo. Ang bilis na yun. Madalas kayo.
Okay, nasa? Hoy! 2-1 na, 2-1 na. Nakaisa na si Bet. Nakaisa na si Bet. Wala namin naiinis. Okay. Player number 1, dribble, exhibition, ipasa kay number 2. Number 2, dribble, ipasa kay number 4. Number 4, dribble, exhibition.